What is the square root of 36?
You can answer 6.
Oh, A, are you a math guy?
No.
6.
6.
Dang, okay. But you got it right.
Hey guys, we're the Cypress Ambassadors. I'm Quinn, this is Athena, and what do?
Basically what we do is we help to tutor students who are in AP or CE classes.
So if you do want to join, you can go to room 635 to Mr. Hunter, or if you see one of us, you can talk to us and we can get that worked out for you.
Who was Edgar Allan Poe?
Poet?
English poet.
Edgar Allan Poe was a Gothic poet that was born in the southern United States sometime in the late 1800s.
Okay.
He wrote like some famous thing with a raven and I don't know.
That answer.
What is the powerhouse of the cell?
Oh, mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
These are the homecoming dress-up days for the week.
Today is Adam Sandler Day, so make sure to wear your baggiest clothes.
Aloha!
On Tuesday, wear your tropical clothes.
Wednesday is pajama day.
Roll out of bed and wear your comfiest PJs.
On Thursday, it's twin day.
Go find a partner and twin up.
Friday is whiteout.
So make sure to come to the homecoming tailgate before the football game at 5 p.m.
What is the molecular compound of sugar?
Something delicious. I was thinking nice and sweet.
Okay.